folks, in this video I'm going to be teaching you guys how to construct an isosceles triangle when given the perimeter and the vertical height. So assuming we have an isosceles triangle with a let's say with a perimeter of let's say should we use 12 centimeters. We have a perimeter of 12 centimeters, and then we also have a vertical height. This vertical height, we have a vertical height of 4 centimeters. So the first step is to draw a line AB equal to the perimeter. Let's draw a line AB. So we're going to make use of a line AB of 12 centimeters length. So this will be 12 centimeters in length. So that will be from 1 to 13. That's a span of 12 centimeters. Let's call this A, B. Now the next step is to bisect AB at C and erect a perpendicular CD equal to the vertical height. So let's bisect AB and erect a perpendicular at the midpoint. So open our compass to more than half of the length, cut up and down, and then the second place. So we will erect the perpendicular now. So now the next step is to erect a perpendicular CD. So just measure the length of the perpendicular, which is 4 centimeters. That's 1, 2, 3, 4. So we have a 4 centimeters perpendicular. Let's call this CD. The next step is to join AD and BD. So let's join A to D and B to D. Let's join A to D and B to D. So good, here we go. Now the next step is to construct angle ADE and angle BDF at D equal to the base angles A and B. Now in this case, we have base angles here. So these are base angles. We want to construct angle ADE, an angle at the top, and angle BDF rather, equals to these base angles. So all we need to do, we need to copy these angles here. So that's a rather simple procedure to do. The procedure of copying an angle, you just open your compass, you copy the angles. So this is how it's done. You just copy the angles. Open your compass here, cut the angle, and then open to the other side. Cut the angle with the same radius. Then go back to the first angle, put at the point where the arc cuts the base of the angle, and then you open to the top of the angle. So where it cuts the first line. So without adjusting your radius, put it at the base of the second angle and cut the top of the arc. So this is how to copy the angles, and then we'll now draw a line through B to E. So these are required E. Let's call this E. Then we'll still do the same thing for the other one. We'll copy this angle B, the angle B. Just open your compass to this arc, open it to this arc again, cut, then open it till that's open to the angle. So we have the angle here. So now let's next to open it here, then cut. So then you draw a line from D through this angle. So we get our isosceles triangle. So basically this is how to construct an isosceles triangle. Let's stick in the lines. Basically, let's stick in the lines. So we have B, D, and F. So EDF rather. So this EDF, and this EDF is required isosceles triangle when given the perimeter and vertical heights. Thanks for watching.